Hi there, I'm Greg J. Priest. I'm one of the tech team over here at txttools. We're the jeans and sneakers crowd that keep the site running. We do all the upgrades and so on. This is the first in a series of sneak previews we'll be doing of upcoming features in the website. We're always building new features into the website, upgrading what's already there, and stomping on any little bugs that creep in from time to time. So we thought it'd be nice to give our users a little sneaky look at what's coming in the next version. Partly because we know people always like to see what we're up to, and partly so that when the next version does roll up, we don't change something huge overnight and take everybody by surprise. Just so you're aware, this video is also available in high definition, so if you have a nice fast net connection, click the HD button down in the bottom right hand corner. You can see this video in a lot more detail. So today we're going to be looking at the new Compose page interface. We've had some users with very large address books saying to us, guys, our browsers can't cope with the size of our contact list. So we took a look, and sure enough, if your address book is thousands and thousands of entries long, as you can see this is taking a while to load, putting that list into the contact selector, and this is just a minor example of what we're talking about, this can really put some strain on your browser. Also, looking at the problem some more, we noticed that if you've got more than a few hundred people in here, scrolling down through this list can get really, well, boring. Having to click here, hold control, scroll down here, select another person. This works, sure, but we can do better. So we sat down over a pint of over a cup of coffee, and we were thinking there has to be a faster way of bringing up your contacts, but it has to be something that people are familiar with, something that they can just get. And a lot of sites are now using autocomplete functionality, where you can start typing in your query and the site guesses at what you're looking for. And we love that sort of thing. That's a really nice interface design for us. So what we've created, if I flick over here to our test server, is a new interface for the Compose page. So now, when you come onto the Compose interface, instead of getting your individuals list, like you normally would, you get your groups list instead. This is because most of our users tend to send out group messages primarily, and individual messages as and when they're needed. So if you want to select individual people, you click on the Individuals tab and, where did all my contacts go? Well, don't panic, they are still there. You just get to them a little differently. So instead of scrolling through a long list and cherry-picking the people that you want, you simply tell the site who it is that you're looking for. I'll just type my own name in here. And there I am, selected. Anybody in this second box down here, this is the list of people that the message will actually go to. And as usual, the website does its best to stop you sending to the same people twice. So if I select myself again, I will only appear in the box once. And that's pretty much it. The search box works on first names, last names, and unique IDs in your address book, so it's really easy to find who you're looking for very, very fast. Other than that, the Compose page works pretty much the same as before. You still have your Group and Individuals tab, you still have your message box down here, and your templates list, and your various options. The one thing that sharp-eyed viewers will have noticed that has changed is if you look on the previous version of the site, this is the site that's currently live, you'll notice that down here in Advanced Options we have a Time to Live option, and that option is no longer available on the test server. Now we're really very sorry about this, but we've had to remove that option from the page. These days, to help guarantee service on the website, we have multiple routes out for text messages. If we can't send out via one aggregator, the system automatically switches to another aggregator and sends the message that way, and you never even notice a difference. And while that is great, we unfortunately can't guarantee the availability of the Time to Live option across all our aggregators, so we've had to remove it from the website completely. Finally, and I'll just skip over to the home page to demonstrate this, we've gone to great lengths to standardise the new composition interface across the website. Here in the instant message box, for example, you can see the contact searcher has appeared. So if you need to rattle off a quick message to somebody, but you can't remember the phone number, I mean, who does, right? You can quickly look them up from here, just by typing the name in. There we go. So anywhere on the website where you're composing a message and you're selecting recipients, you should see the new interface. And we think this is going to make things a lot faster for our customers. It's going to make your pages load faster, and you're going to be able to look people up a lot faster. That can only be a good thing. And the great thing about our test server, which is where I'm running now, beta demo, this test server is public. So if you want to have a play with these new features in advance, contact our customer support team and they'll give you the address and the account details, and you can come in and have a play yourself. You can get the support team details via the live chat feature on the website. You can contact us via our telephone number, which is also on the website, or you can email them at support@txttools.co.uk. Any feedback you want to send us, feel free. That's the sort of thing that we're after in this test. You can help us decide how the website's going to work. And do remember to keep an eye on the Techies blog, the new blog that's on the website, and on our YouTube channel as well, because we have a lot more new stuff currently in development, and it will be demoed on there first. And I think you're going to like it. So that's the new Compose interface. I'm Greg Preece. Have a nice day.